Solar power in Romania had an installed capacity of 1,374 megawatt (MW) as of the end of 2017. The country had in 2007 an installed capacity of 0.30 megawatts, which increased to 3.5 megawatts by the end of 2011, and to 6.5 megawatts by the end of 2012. However, the record year of 2013 was an exception, and new installation fell back from 1,100 megawatts to a moderate level of 69 megawatts in 2014. Romania is located in an area with a good solar potential of 210 sunny days per year and with an annual solar energy flux between 1,000 kWh/m2/year and 1,300 kWh/m2/year. From this total amount, around 600 to 800 kWh/m2/year is technically feasible. The most important solar regions of Romania are the Black Sea coast, northern Dobruja and Oltenia, with an average of 1,600 kWh/m2/year. Romania was a major player in the solar power industry, installing in the 1970s and 1980s around 800,000 square meters, 8,600,000 square feet of low-quality solar collectors that placed the country third worldwide in the total surface area of PV cells. One of the most important solar projects was the installation of a 30-kilowatt solar panel on the roof of the Politehnica University of Bucharest that is capable of producing 60 megawatt-hours of electricity per year. Rominterm, a Romanian company, by 2010, installed a total of 600 solar panels in Mangalia, Constanţa County, making the city self-sufficient in terms of heated water during the summer months and providing around 70% of heated water in the winter months, and another 1,150 solar panels used for the generation of electricity spread over an area of 1,400 square meters, 15,000 square feet. Another Romanian city, Alba Iulia, installed a total of 1,700 PV cells on several public buildings that have a rated power of 257 kilowatts. Other cities include Giurgiu with 174 solar panels and 391.5 kilowatts installed capacity, and Saturn, Romania, with 50 panels and 112 kilowatts installed capacity. Many photovoltaic projects are planned for Romania, totaling over 200 megawatts, and of these, about 61 megawatts were expected to be completed by 2012. The first two industrial-scale solar power plants in the country are the Giurgiu Solar Park, completed in December 2010, and the Scornăști Photovoltaic Park, completed December 27, 2011. Each is 1 megawatt. The Covasi Solar Park will be Romania's largest solar power plant at completion, having a total of 480,000 solar panels with a combined capacity of 35 megawatts, and will be located in Timiș County. Another important site is the Giurgiu and Oltenia Solar Park in Alba County, which will have a capacity of 10 megawatts. Other solar parks include the Saturn Solar Park located in Saturn County, which will have a capacity of 5 to 8 megawatts, and the Giurgiu Solar Park located in Covasna County that will have a capacity of 2.4 megawatts. A 32 megawatts project in 4 sections of 8 megawatts each is planned for Gătaia, and a 48 MW solar park is planned for Săgarcia. The Romanian state supports the production of solar/PV energy by offering 6 green certificates for each MWh produced and injected into the grid. One green certificate will be traded on a regulated market, i.e. Opcom, with a price that varies between €27 to €55 per green certificate, subject to indexation with the Eurozone inflation rate. However, due to the reduction of the cost of technology, the Romanian energy regulatory body, i.e. ANRE, considers reducing the number of green certificate in the first half of 2012. In order to protect the interest of the solar/PV producers and for an appropriate guidance through the Romanian RSE issues, the Romanian Photovoltaic Industry Association was created. Solar/PV energy is expected to be the second most active developed source of energy, after wind.